Hi, this is the BEM Shopping Cart, and I wanted to give an overview of how it works. So we have products and we have categories on the left side, and we can have subcategories and sub-subcategories, two level deeps. So if you look under croissants, we have two different products under croissants. And bear with me, the machine is a little bit slow because it's an old MacBook Pro running MySQL and the Rails server, and they're all running locally. So it's going to be just a little bit slow. So we've added two croissants. Let's add three croissants. Let's add two of the plain croissants, and let's go under breads. And we can see all the breads, but let's focus. Let's get the. I just want to see the dark breads. Wheat bread. So let's add a few of those. So now we've added stuff to the shopping cart. We can take a look at the shopping cart and make changes. So let's get more of the chocolate croissants. And maybe the plain croissants, we don't care for that anymore. Just get out. Just delete it. And let's go ahead and check out. So the app is running in dev mode, and checking out, we get a confirmation email, but I'm trapping the mail server, so we can see the email as soon as we place the order. So this is pre-filled. Only one type of payment type. That's what the client back then wanted. So let's go ahead and place the order. And this is the email that I mentioned. I'm using a gem called letter opener. It intercepts the outgoing mail, and we can see it. So we're in dev mode, so that we don't have to have the mail being continuously sent to the email address. This is the I'm logged in as an administrator, and if I click on admin, we'll end up in this page. So let me open it in a separate tab. Again, bear with me, it's a little bit slow because everything is running local. The MySQL server, the Rails server, it's an old version of Rails, old version of MySQL, and it's running on an old MacBook Pro, my old programming machine. And of course, I'm using the recording software on the same machine. So this is the admin page, and what I like about the admin page is we have products, we have categories, we have orders and users, but you can pretty much do everything from the products page as far as products or categories or what have you. So let's go ahead and edit a product. This is nice because we can edit the product inline. You don't have to leave the page. You can do it inline. Just let me do it one more time. So let's go ahead and edit this, and we can upload a different image for apples. We can change the price. Let's say 1,000 Lebanese pounds. Let's go ahead and update it. All is good. We've got the update, and so this is products. I really like the way it's done inline. You don't have to leave the products index page. Let's look at under categories. So if we look under breads and croissant, going back to the storefront. So again, there's a storefront and there's the admin page. Going back under storefront, we can see that we have two subcategories, one as croissants and one as breads. And breads has a subcategory, white bread or dark bread. So let's see how it looks from an admin perspective. So from an admin, we have categories, and this is all the products that have to happen to be under this categories or any of its subcategories. So we can click here to see all the subcategories, and again we have the croissants. If I click in here, we can see all the products under the subcategory croissant, and we can edit them. We can go ahead and say, hey, let's go ahead and change the price of this chocolate croissant. People like it, let's make it a little bit more expensive. High demand, high price. Alright, so from within the category page, and we've drilled down into few subcategories, but we located the product under that subcategory, we're able to edit it. At the same time, I can see I can add categories in here, and we can add new product also under these categories. So let's go ahead and create a new category. So let me close this. Alright, so we're creating a new category, and we would like this category to be under vegetables. And this category, we're going to call it roots. Let's go ahead and create it. So you can see it. It would be under category. I don't see it. Oh, it's under vegetables. Okay, so if we click under vegetables, here it is. It's fruit. Let's go ahead and create. So it doesn't have any subcategories or product, but let's go ahead and create another subcategory under roots even. So create new, and it's gonna be under roots, and I'm gonna say light roots, light colored roots. Let's go ahead and create that. And so now if we look, we have veggies and roots, and under roots we have light colored roots. So immediately we've created 3 level deep categories, and refresh the storefront. Here it is. So you can see categories, subcategories, and subcategories. Let's go ahead and add a product. So going back to the admin page, we want to add a product, and fastest way to add a product is from the products page. So let's create a new product, and let's select this new category that we created. So again, these categories have been flattened out to make the drop-down menu easier to read. So in our case, it was going to be light colored roots. And let's choose a file. It's this file, I think. Yeah, it's potatoes, the white potatoes. And this product is going to be called yellow potatoes. And I'm going to say, what, typo? Yeah, with an E. Yummy Idaho potatoes. Price $450. Let's go ahead and create the product. And if we go back to the storefront, click in here, notice the breadcrumbs here. So it's the categories is 3 level deep, and here's our guy. And go ahead and add it. Ooh, negative. Bad. Okay. So we have 3 units of yellow potatoes, 3 bags of yellow potatoes. So just wanted to show you how we can quickly create products categories. Just to confirm, our categories there. So if I scroll down under veggies, let's look under subcategory. It's not yellow potato, it's subcategory. It's not roots, it's light colored roots, and here it is. Now we could have clicked in here and accessed all the product. Well, no, I was wrong. We cannot access the potato because they're subcategory. But if I clicked it under roots, yeah, couldn't let because it's subcategory, 3 level deep. So you go and you can access the product for that subcategory. And of course, we're in the subcategory. We're looking in the categories index page, and this is what's nice about this interface. It's inline. Everything can be edited inline. Let's go ahead and edit it and raise the price a little bit to $4.99 or $4.95 Lebanese pounds. Okay, so this is creating categories, products. We can take a look at the orders. This is again an admin interface for the storefront. And let's go ahead and sort them by sort descending. This is our latest order, and we can drill down and see, sure enough, there's 2 line items in it. And so this is the orders page. We also have the users page. Now I'm the only user in here, but let's take a look at all my orders. So it's related to all the orders that I've done recently, and this is the most recent order. I can drill down and I can see all the products in that order. Yeah, we shouldn't be able to update an order. We should not be able to update a product from an order because order should be frozen. But for now, just wanted to give an overview of this app. Okay, thank you.